Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Sometimes large city intersections can be too hectic and confusing, with a bunch of signs and crosswalks. Today I suggest looking at one of these intersections. Let's try to see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. In which of the listed directions are you allowed to proceed in the situation shown if all lanes in this direction are occupied? Option A, straight ahead only. Option B, straight ahead, left, or U-turn. Option C, straight ahead or left. Option D, straight ahead or U-turn. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. We are in a car, in front of a traffic light, on a wide city street with high-rise buildings. The traffic light is green and round, traffic is permitted. Now let's look at the signs at the intersection. We see, no left turn sign. Diamond, main road sign. The sign pedestrian crossing. The sign obstacle bypass on the right is installed on the dividing island. We also see another car in the picture, which is driving straight in the adjacent lane. What follows from this? You can go straight, since the green light is on and there are no restrictions. You cannot turn left, this is directly prohibited by the sign no left turn. A U-turn is allowed, since there is no separate prohibition, and the sign no left turn itself does not apply to U-turns. The main road remains with us, which means that at the intersection, when driving straight or when turning, we have priority. The pedestrian crossing reminds us that you need to be ready to give way to pedestrians if they appear. Thus, in this situation, the driver can continue driving straight or turn around. It is prohibited to turn left. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.